So it's a relatively quiet night in Vegas on a Wednesday night at 10 p.m. But I'm about to do something really exciting. I'm about to go inside of a place that I was permanently banned from over half a year ago. So I'm just realizing now that Bally's and Paris are connected. Their parking garage is connected, so you park at their garage and then you technically first get into Paris and then you go to Bally's. So it's right here. So this is Bally's cheapest room, the standard room. I have the 1 king bed version. There's also the 2 queen bed version, of course. Really nice. I'm very impressed so far. Let's do a room tour now. And the view, not the greatest view I've ever seen, but a nice shot of Paris, Hilton in the background, and then just a parking garage and Bally's, pretty much. So one thing I always forget to mention in my videos is the fact that certain hotels require you to scan your key in order to get up the elevator to your hotel room, whereas other hotels like Bally's does not. So it's helpful if you have friends and you're trying to have friends come up to the room, and it makes it easier. You don't have to go downstairs to scan them in. So in the future, I'll try to always update you guys on which hotels do require that and which ones do not. All right, let's go explore. Okay, so up there is where the ballrooms are, the convention center area, I'm guessing. And so right behind me is a bunch of poker tables and this small little poker room. Well, it's actually a good size, but they have limited hours. They're only open, I think, Thursday until Sunday. There's a Keno lounge as well right behind me. So they have a super nice bar. Is this shaking? I think it's shaking. So they have a super nice bar right in front of the check-in area. Super nice lounge. It's not open, possibly because it's a Wednesday and maybe they're just normally not open on Wednesdays. Ugh. All right, so this way is the Grand Bazaar shops. So I just picked up a slice at Pizza in the Grand Bazaar shops at Bally's. One of my friends, Keenan, is actually coming to meet me right now. We're gonna go, I think, to the top of the Eiffel Tower later, so that should be fun. But yeah, so far. Oh, what's up, bro?
Yeah, borrow the glasses.
Huh?
Let me borrow the glasses, man.
Who are you?
Hey.
So I'm waiting for my friend to get here. I came back inside Bally's and I went to what is called the Sky View. so I just got kicked out. Apparently that floor has really exclusive suites that most people can't even buy. You have to kind of be invited to get there. I don't know. They told me, the security guards who kicked me out told me that. So yeah, the security guards who kicked me out told me that they're always spending time kicking people out of there because most people are not allowed up there, and especially those who have a camera like myself. But they were really, really nice actually, like super nice. It was fine. I respect it. All right, so now I'm just gonna wait for Keenan in my room for a few minutes and then we'll go to Paris. Okay, this is actually 2 minutes after I ended that last clip. He's here. All right, let's go meet him. Keenan? Keenan?
How are you, buddy?
What's up, bro?
I'm ready to get a drink, that's for sure.
Look, it's lockets. Eiffel Tower, elevator is down that way. We're going up. All right, so I just bought 2 tickets for me and Keenan. We're going upstairs to the Eiffel Tower. So basically you have to buy tickets and then you have to take a little escalator up to where the main elevator is. And then the elevator shoots you all the way up to the viewing deck area. So yeah. All right, we're just waiting for our ambassador to assist us in the elevator so we can go up the Eiffel Tower. Okay, thank you. It's been so long since I've been here. Alright, so been up here for about 10 minutes or so. Really nice views. Bit windy right now, but yeah, it's worth it. Definitely fun. Right now the Bellagio shows aren't happening, but you have a great view of the Bellagio fountains if they are going on, like throughout the day or night, whatever. Yeah, pretty fun experience up here. I think I paid $20 to get up here. Definitely check it out if you're here. So it's a relatively quiet night in Vegas on a Wednesday night at 10 p.m. But I'm about to do something really exciting. I'm about to go inside of a place that I was permanently banned from over half a year ago. The Cosmo. Okay, so if you guys don't know, over the summer I had an incident here and I was permanently banned from the Cosmo. It's a long story and I made a video about it. If you want to check it out, I'll link it. But a few days ago, the vice president of Cosmo personally called me to apologize, and I'm going to be making a video here soon, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be an exciting one too. So more storytelling about the Cosmo incident and things to come. Let's get out of this tub. Oh, so I just got back. Keenan left to do some other Vegas things. It's about midnight and I have to go to sleep. I got a big day tomorrow. I have to finish up this vlog, showing you Bally's, and then I have a sponsored video as well. A lot of good things coming, so I'm about to hit the bed. Also, this place is really beautiful. I found out that it's newly renovated, this whole section. Highly recommend it if you're trying to save some money, but also have a sick place on a budget. Anyway, I'm about to get some rest. Good night. And good morning. Time to get up and do stuff. So, I forgot to show you guys, but they have a mini fridge here that it's empty, so you can put stuff in it. So that's pretty cool. But overall, this place is really great. And judging from the website, there's a lot of really nice penthouses and other big suites and stuff like that here as well. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, overall, I'm impressed with this place. The casino floor itself isn't the biggest, but since Bally's is connected to Paris, it's kind of, you know, boom, it's doubled. So it's kind of like two decent sized casino floors in one. This place is center strip, so you can't go wrong there. They have the Bally's exhibit here and a bunch of good restaurants and the really awesome bar in the middle. So the place is really awesome. I think I'll definitely be back here one day. I really love this big tall mirror here. This is nice. All right, time to leave the room, explore more, check out, do stuff more. Let's go. Good morning. So there's this random seating area right next to the elevators. I don't know, something I like about this. Well, let's go to the pool. All right, I'm gonna try and check out the pool. I read that it's a heated pool as well, so it might be open. Yeah, let's go see. All right, this way, fitness center, blue pool, and the monorail. All right, so I've discovered a whole different area down here that I just neglected yesterday. So the Bodies exhibit is behind me and it is open. It's $33 to check that out. I did that once in New York City and it was amazing, so probably recommend that one. There's a VR section over here, and then there's people getting massages back here as well. All right, let's try to find this pool though. Twilight Zone, Monster Mini Golf, arcade games, more arcade games. Look at, oh, there's a bowling alley? What the heck? I feel like I am in the Twilight Zone right now because I had no idea any of this existed. There's a giant sports book, there's a food court, all sorts of food here. They have that weird massage thing with the water massage thingy. What the heck is this? All right, here's the fitness center, closed. Bally's Fitness Center. Okay, so the monorail is over here. I doubt that's open. All the monorails have been closed for a while, but the pool's over here. No, the pool's closed. All right, there you have it. The pool's closed, but this is a really cool area, so I'm glad I discovered it. I think I'm gonna end this one here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like. If you did not like the video, definitely check out another one because I got some awesome ones on the channel. And just have a good day, guys. All right, see ya. Dimensions closed.